you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have Vienna's pet treater bag for April. Do you want to know what's in her bag and what toys she's going to be playing on this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Vienna just received her April pet treater bag, and yes, she is so excited. I literally just said, do you want to go open your box? And she ran in here so quick. I've never heard your feet move so fast. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see which toys Stop, leave your tongue in your mouth, ma'am. Leave your tongue in your mouth. Let's see what is going to be in here. Stay right there. Okay. Ah! There's little flamingos and pineapples. Look at how cute. Ooh, that's going to be my favorite one so far that they have done. Sit down. Sit on your booty. Oh, you want to shake, rattle, and roll? Okay, so she don't care about that. She wants to know about her toys inside here. So the first one is going to be this guy here. So it's like a little crinkle type ball that she can chew on. And then there is a rope. These particular ones, I honestly don't give her. She ends up tearing these up, any of the rope style. She's done that since she was a baby. So I will then save these because I know somebody whose dog would actually use these. So I'm going to save this and pass this down to her dog friend. But you can at least see what it looks like. This one she won't be playing with. I'll leave the tag on it and everything so we can give it to her little friend. Okay, so, oh, now she wants it. Hold on, let me move it where you can't reach it. There you go. Okay, so now what she will be playing with, here's one of them, and it's like a pirate. It says Pirates and Paws. It says Squeak Me, Fetch, Toss, and to play. So there's a squeaker. So yeah, there's one squeaker right in the middle. Okay, and it's a big old. Can you sit for a second? She's like, no, bitch, give me my toy. Here, set it down. Okay, there's still something else in here though. Oh, you have still two more things in here. How cute is this? It says Top Paw, and it's a crab. I had it upside down. It's a crab. So, ooh. Whoa, that's loud. Holy moly. Did you hear that? I've never heard something so loud before. Oh, it says, tug me, I squeak. Yes, you sure do. I think the whole neighborhood's going to hear you squeak. Oh, so when you pull and tug too? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so that one I'm thinking is going to be her favorite one, but there's still something else in here. So let's see. Oh, it's the card. So there's no more toys. It's the card though. Aw, look at, congratulations to Emmy Lou. Look at that little face. So every month when you get your whichever one, she's just throwing things on the floor, whatever one you end up getting, if you take a photo and you send it to them, then you could get a chance to be featured in one of their little brochures like this lucky one right here. So there's that. So I think that is, yes, that is everything in there. So we have the little rope thing that she's not going to get. And then she's going to give it to her friend. And then she has these two toys, which again, I think this is going to be her favorite one for this month. Do you want to see, hold on, just hold your little horses. If you want to see her playing with her toys that she's trying to get at right now, then here you go. Okay, she is ready. Let's go ahead and see. Which one do you think she's going to play with first? My bet is the crab. Oh, she didn't even care where the other one went. You want me to take your bandana off? Hey, let me see. Let me take this off so it's not in your way. There you go. feel? You getting tired? Say, nope, I got a second wind. Okay, you guys, so that was her playing with her toys, living her best life as normal. If you want a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. They have dog and cat options, which that is one reason why I really love this one, because the other one she was getting was only strictly for dogs, and a lot of you guys have cats or you have both. So with this one, you can do both, and you can do for dogs anyway. You can do the treat only, the toy only, or the full box. So for this one, it says dog and cat subscriptions. You can count on the value being much greater than the monthly cost. We will tailor each pack to your dog's size. Canceling is easy and you can do it anytime. Our customer support team is always available to help you via live chat, phone, or email. The dog pack is $15 per box. So every month would be $15. Each pack would be filled between 3 to 4 items, as in toys and chews. So treats and toys. And their treats are always made in either USA or Canada. They're never China made. So the deluxe dog pack, if you want more in your dog pack, that one's $25 a month and you'll get 5 to 8 items. You can do the treat only, which is $18 a month. You'll receive 3 to 4 treats only. You can do the toy only like she does. That one is also $18 a month and she gets 3 to 4 toys. So today she got 3 plus the bandana. And then the cat pack is $15. You will receive 3 to 4 goodies with toys and treats. Or you can do the multi-cat pack. So if you have multiple cats or you just want your cat to be spoiled more, you can do that one. It's 5 to 8 items and it's $25. So that is everything for this particular video, you guys. Comment down below and let us know, what do you think of Pet Treater? What do you think of Vienna and all of her toys? Her favorite thing is to play. She will be 12 years old this August, and all she wants to do is play. You're my baby though. Yes, you are. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and we greatly do appreciate it, as we greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out. With your little paw. Bye.